Welcome back, future orthodontists. Today, we discuss a very important topic, extraction of first permanent molars, often called sixes. First permanent molars may need extraction if they have extensive caries, hypomineralisation, poor restorability, or large restorations compromising long-term prognosis. Use the mnemonic CHRP. Caries, hypomineralisation, restorability poor, prognosis bad. These factors guide the decision to extract instead of trying to restore. Timing is crucial for optimal outcomes. The ideal age for extraction is 8 to 10 years. At this age, the roots of second molars are not fully formed, allowing proper space closure and occlusion development. Remember the 8-10 rule. Early enough to guide second molar eruption, late enough to avoid disrupting jaw growth. Extraction of first molars affects occlusion. Second molars drift forward, which can reduce crowding in permanent dentition and may influence overjet and overbite. Use the mnemonic SDO, second molar drift, occlusion adjustment. Proper monitoring is needed to prevent unwanted bite changes. Orthodontic considerations include space closure mechanics, anchorage planning, growth pattern of the patient, and future eruption of third molars. Use the mnemonic SAGF, space, anchorage, growth, future. These factors ensure predictable outcomes when first molars are extracted. To summarize, indications for extraction are remembered as CHRP, caries, hypomineralisation, restorability poor, prognosis bad. Timing follows the 8-10 rule. Occlusion impact is SDO, second molar drift, occlusion adjustment. Orthodontic considerations are SAGF, space, anchorage, growth, future. Quiz time. Question 1. Which mnemonic helps remember indications for sixes extraction? Question 2. Ideal age for first molar extraction. Question 3. Extraction affects occlusion mainly through. Question 4. Orthodontic considerations include what? Great work! You now know when and how to extract first permanent molars and the orthodontic principles behind it. Next videos will focus on spacing and movement of buccal segments.